Ivy, and today I'm here to talk about my beautiful micro links, okay? So this isn't really gonna be like a super tutorial per se. I'm kind of gonna show you what I did and tell you how I feel about micro links and if they're worth it as a natural or if we should just stick to traditional sew-ins. I'm gonna let y'all know. And y'all, I am so sorry about the police sirens and all of that. I don't know what's going on. I live in Chicago, okay? It's summertime. I'm filming this at night. Y'all already know. Hopefully y'all can't hear that too much. I do have a new microphone and it picks up everything. So I really hope it's not affecting my video right now because I'll be so pissed. But let's get into it, you guys. Let's get into it. I know this looks like just like my hair. It's looking natural. You guys can't tell that's weave. And you guys, that is the purpose of micro links. Like, micro links are supposed to be versatile. They're supposed to allow you all different type of styling. It is very, very flat to the head, and it's definitely gonna give you that natural look. Micro links don't have any braids whatsoever, okay? If you guys are wondering about my hoodie, this is from Fabletics. I'm gonna have a little haul coming up soon, so yeah. So if you guys didn't know, I am 100% natural. I consider my hair type about a, I believe my hair is around a, let's just say, what, 4A? I think that's my hair texture. I have really fine hair. So when I do like press out my hair, it's very silky. It almost looks like I have a relaxer or something. And my natural hair is jet black, just like this. I don't color it or anything like that. So I did cut my hair off last year. I cut it like all the way up here. It was like this super short bob. My hair actually grew all the way back. My hair is about right here right now. Like, it's literally right here. You guys will see it in the video, but my hair has grown back so well. And I was supposed to be in Atlanta this weekend for the hair show. A family emergency came up and I couldn't make it. But for the hair show, I wanted something different. I was like, you know what? I know everybody's gonna have like crazy hair, over the top laces and stuff. I was like, I'm gonna give them micro links. I'm gonna give them natural, blowy, breezy. Like, nobody's gonna be able to tell if this is my hair or weave or whatever. So you guys know, for my micro links, I had to get the most amazing raw hair ever, and that's Ondable hair. What I have installed is the coarse Cambodian wavy, and I have in 2.5 bundles and 24 inches. And you guys, it is so full, okay? And this is only 2.5 bundles. So pretty, you guys. I got 3 bundles from the company, and they're absolutely gorgeous, straight out of the bag. Very nice texture, not too high of a luster but not too low, because my natural hair is kind of like a higher luster. With micro links, you need something that's gonna like match exact, right? And this hair does come in like kind of like a natural wave, but I did go ahead and flat iron it out because I knew I was gonna wear it in a straightening state. I did have to go in and dye this hair because it does come in like a natural black color. So let's get right into these micro links. So to do micro links, you're gonna need a few things. You're gonna need one of these. And what this is, it's kind of like a little tool so you can put your links on here and then loop your hair through and pull up the links. This is really important. You're also gonna need micro rings. These are how the micro rings look that I use. I use the round rings with silicone on the inside, and it's really important that you get the kind with silicone. You don't want to just clamp metal onto your hair. It's going to cause breakage. So you need silicone inside of the bead so it can, you know, grip onto the hair and not cause any damage. And the last tool you're going to need to install and remove your micro links is this little plier gadget thing right here. Come on, Canon, there you go. Wait, it keeps trying to get my face. I know I'm beautiful, but let's get the pliers. Okay, so you're gonna need these pliers right here. And what these are for, you're gonna use this to squeeze the bead on. You can also use this to break the bead off, okay? So when doing micro links and you're using the threading method, you wanna use a nylon thread. Nylon thread isn't gonna cause any damage like your traditional cotton thread. It's thinner, it's gonna be lighter on your head, not as much tension, so definitely use the nylon thread. I get mine from Sally's Beauty. I wanna let you guys know it is like so many different types of methods for micro links. I did the threading method because honestly, I tried to do all the other methods, the invisible bead method, and you guys, it was so many different methods, and doing it on myself was the hardest thing ever. Let me tell y'all something. Out of all the hairstyles I've done on myself, I can honestly say micro links was the most challenging. It was tedious. It was really hard. My arms are still sore, and it's been, you know, it's been a few days, and my arms are still sore. You guys, they are so tedious. So I definitely recommend you get them done by someone else. But if you have the patience, go for it. But I am definitely warning you guys, it took me 2 days to complete my micro links. And it might be because I did a whole head, like it's micro links all in my head. Maybe that's what took so long, but I'm telling you, it is not a quick, fast job, okay? But really it depends on how much hair you're putting in. I did put in 2.5 bundles, so maybe if you put in like 1 bundle, it'll be faster. But since I wanted it to look like a sew-in, if you're a natural person and you're doing micro links, like I said, you want to get a really high quality raw version hair, something that matches your hair whether in its natural state or pressed state. I have an on the boo. Definitely recommend them, you guys. Make sure you check the description bar below if you're interested. I'm gonna warn y'all now, this hair is not cheap. It is not your budget hair. This is investment. Y'all see this hair. Like, this is hair that you do sew-ins with, things like micro links, things that's gonna last you. Like, I have hair from On The Boo that I've had for years. So when I did my micro links, what I did was I actually washed and conditioned my hair, like a deep condition, and then I blow dried my hair, and I blow dried my hair out. So once I was done blow drying my hair, I went off and sectioned off areas where, you know, I'm gonna have leave out. So with micro links, it's really important to leave out enough hair, but not too much. And that's the really tricky part with micro links, because I'm so used to sew-ins and putting in as much hair and leaving out the bare minimum to cover your weave. So with micro links, you know, parting off the areas to where I need to leave hair out was really challenging for me. You want to do micro links on blow dried hair. You don't want to do it on straightened hair, because your links could slip out. You want to leave your hair kind of textured at the root, so the links can have something to grip onto. So what you want to do is part off a section in your hair. And basically I did my micro links in rows, okay? Just parting off rows and clipping the hair up and starting on 1 row, okay? I'm trying to explain this the best I can, because y'all, this was it was a lot for me. It was really challenging. So what I did was section off a small piece of hair, right? And I didn't want to make it too small, but I didn't want to make it too big. So I found that with micro links, you really don't need to make them as small as I did. You can actually make your sections a lot bigger, because if you make them too small, it's gonna feel really tender on your head and tight, and I'll explain that later. My recommendation is to make the section about 1 inch wide. Don't do it as small as I did. And you just wanna put the bead onto the little tool, stick your hair through it and pull it up. Take your little clamp and clip the bead on. Do not clip this super tight to your root. In the video, I put my link a little too high up to my root, you guys, and let me tell you something. I was in so much pain. I didn't film it, but I had to go back in. I woke up in the middle of the night, got up, and I had to move all my links down. So don't put them near your root that much. Make them about 1/2 inch from your root. I'm telling you, if you like me, and I'm super tender-headed, you guys, do not make these links super tight to your root, because it is gonna hurt like hell. It hurts worse than a sew-in. It hurt worse than braids. It hurt worse than anything. So once I was done putting the links on, I took my flat iron and then I flat ironed the hair that's outside of the link. That way, when I go to sew in my weave, I don't have to, you know, flat iron my hair after the fact. So I was trying to do that to save me time. I was also flat ironing my track every time I was getting ready to put it on my head. And basically what I did is I went through each row and put in my links, and then after that I went in and sewed on my weft. Now this is another tricky part. You want to sew at the edge when you first start your thread around the link, and then once you begin sewing, you can just sew like above the length. You really don't have to sew around the length. I found that when I sewed around the length, it was just too tender on my scalp. I am extremely tender-headed. I just did my loop and pull method just so I could have some security but not be too tight. And I did this all throughout my hair, all the way up to the area where I have my leave out. And basically when laying your tracks, I just laid them like a traditional sew-in. That was the method I followed, you know, kind of like the U shape. You guys have seen me do it in making wigs or doing sewing. When I got to the top of my head, I kind of put the lengths a little bit closer together because I wanted them to be really secure up here, because I feel like I'm gonna like move and mess with these a lot more. And before you sew in your weave, you do want to measure. You want to take your tracks and lay them on your head and measure exactly how long that row is. That's really important, and let you know exactly how much hair you want to use. Now, to fit in 2.5 bundles, I did double my wefts. Warning, I do think that makes your micro links a little bit heavier when you double the weft, okay? I don't know if it's because it's the threaded micro link method or what it is, but I cannot bend my micro links up yet. Like, I don't know if it's just because they're so tight or what, but it hurts like, you guys, it hurts like hell. I didn't leave out enough hair on my sides, I don't think I did them 100% correct, because I can't see my length. So I think I should have placed my lengths a little further back. But then I was thinking, like, if my lengths are so far back, I'm gonna have that ugly line of demarcation in the front. Now, as far as the hair, it is silky, it is flowing, it blends like, ooh, you can kind of see my hair when I do that. It blends, you guys, it just looks so natural. Like, I love Onderboo. I never have any issues with their hair. Like, I love it. Now, I can see this working for someone that can't get braids, or your hair is shorter, or you have a different texture of hair that's silky straight, or if you're like a natural that likes all your hair out and you want to like co-wash it and all that stuff. But since I'm a person, like, usually when I wear my natural hair out, I'm wearing it straight, or if I do have a leave out, I have a sew-in. For me, I don't get the point of this. Like, I could do a ponytail sew-in and still protect my hair. Even though I'm a natural that doesn't mind heat, to keep up these micro links, I would literally have to put heat on my hair every other day, and I don't think I'm comfortable with that. I'm one of those, you know, I try anything once type of people, and I don't know if I'm gonna do this again. I really don't know if I'm gonna do these micro links again. I love how it looks, but I just feel like I could do this with clip-ins, you guys. I could make these Onderboo tracks into clip-ins, okay? Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Let me know if you want to see a curling tutorial. Even if y'all don't want to see it, I'm gonna do it, because I want to see how this is gonna look all curled up and jazzed up. I give these bad boys 2 more weeks, if that. I do like how you can't feel the tracks. Like, it literally feels like it's my hair. You guys, my hair just looks so freaking healthy. It's crazy. It looks so healthy. So, you know, like, with the health of my hair, I'm kind of like paranoid, because I'm like, okay, I'm getting my hair back healthy. I don't want to ruin it with all this heat. But one thing I can say about the micro links, they are really secure, you guys. It doesn't feel like they ain't going nowhere. But I suggest, if you a person with micro links, I'm telling you, watch your mouth. I wouldn't want to get into a fight with these. You'll be bald, I'm telling you. Ooh, Onderboo, I love your hair. Oh my God, it's just so natural. What? I love their hair. Okay, guys, so I covered everything. Let me know in the comment section below if you like it. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumb this up, subscribe, click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.